Hey guys, Rich here. Welcome back to the RCINFORMER YouTube channel. Today I have just a quick flight of the new 64mm Futura coming from FMS. We did a complete unboxing of this, so if you want to see that and all of the details, because we're just going to fly today, all the details of that, I'll put a link in the upper right hand corner of the screen, the little round exclamation point, click on that and it'll drop down the menu for the unboxing of this. Because I don't want to go too much into this, but it's 64mm, 4-cell. This is the first flight on this particular one. It has great suspension gear, it's fixed gear. It assembles with, I think it's 9 screws, and I'm flying the yellow one here today. It's really pretty slick. It does have flaps, and I did put in this thing, I put a reflex stabilizer right in there just to try it out. Right now I have it off, and I'm running a 2200 ADC roaring top pack in there, and that's it. So let's go fly it. Wind's getting me there. Let me do a quick run up and make sure we got power. And that's it. Right, left, up, down, right, left. There we go. So let's get on out there. All right, let's see. Right, left. I'm going to use mid rates this time. Here we go. Great grass field jet. Great on the runway. Again, this first flight on this one today. So we just did the unbox of this one the other day at the RCINFORMER Field here on the runway. And here we go. Taking off. Whoa, there we go. It's a little bit, I don't know what happened there. That's bizarre. Kind of caught me there off guard a little bit. Let me go back to low elevator rate. It's got a little bit, the roll's a little bit sensitive. That's weird. I'm going to go to a low aileron. That caught me off guard. I thought I had my ailerons backwards for a second there. It's flying nice. Might be that lightweight battery in there. My CG might be a little far aft. Let me go. I'm going to put the stabilizer on and see what happens. That might smooth it out just a little bit. That smoothed it out quite a bit, actually. That might be because of the aft CG. Let's go by fast, see how it does quick. Very nice, very nice. All right, coming down through the notch here. Go inverted. Very smooth upside down. Again, this is just a maiden flight, so I just want to play with it a little bit and see how it does. Let's bring it down for a landing. Full flaps are in. Yeah, I can tell it's searching a little bit. I think the CG's got to come back a little bit. Do a touch and go out of it. I think the CG needs to come forward just a little bit. I think it's a little far aft. That's why I'm getting a lot of roll out of it. All right, I'm going to do sort of a presentation pass sort of for the camera. Let's roll in. Very nice and smooth. You do another touch and go out of it. No flaps this time. Very nice. That's no flaps. It seems to land better without the darn flaps. I think it drops the nose too much. Let me try a touch and go opposite direction. Let's see. Again, this is just sort of a shakedown flight for it. There we go. I'm going to go vertical with it, see how it does doing that. Not bad, not bad. Let me push it over. This is only a 2200 pack, so I got to kind of bring it in here pretty soon probably. See if I run that battery down. That steep turn it out front. All right, not bad, not bad. We're going to have fun with this one later. Just wanted to give you guys a quick flight out on it. I'm going to put one setting of flaps in. Yeah, I think I need a little down elevator with those flaps is what it is. I'm holding the stick down a little bit. Let's see if I can get it right on down the runway. There we go. I'm going to take that because that is just a rough maiden flight. Let's see. Does well on the grass as well, so obviously handles that nice. The new compression gear on this thing is pretty darn awesome. So this is all licensed, officially licensed by Tomahawk, and I think that's a German company, and pretty sweet. Again, just the first flight out. Just wanted to give you guys just a rough, just kind of show you it fly once. I just did the unbox again of it, so all the details on this, again, upper right hand corner of the screen will show you all the details on it. So I do like it. It's fun. I've been flying the red one too a little bit. And if you guys do want one of these, I do have a link down below in the description box where you guys can get this. I got discount codes down there as well too. So anyway guys, if you like the content, I like this thing, it's nice. If you like the content, please share our videos. Also hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted to new stuff that we put out. So really slick. Anyway guys, that's it. Just a quick flight for you. Thanks for watching RC Informer. Stay tuned, more videos are coming. As always, we'll see y'all next time.